Hello again, my good people. You see, today I was trying to recharge some echoes, and I have this old digital edition charger. That's an LCD battery charger, the model JBC017 So, you know, this machine served me so well for years, but suddenly it's not working anymore, and it's looking like the plug is out of the board or something. Anyway, I can't use it. Let's open it up and see what's wrong there. Hopefully the plug is still alive. I think I got some more screws under. No, nothing here. Oh, one here. One. Oh, nothing here. Okay. No. That's for the future references. And one in the middle, of course. And there we are. Pieces of wire in here. What is this about? Where is this coming from? Oh, this one. We have that switch there. Of course, look at this guy. It's broke. Yeah. How the hell? What can I do? The point is that I don't have any of this. So I believe today I have one of these. No connector. So I believe today it's the hot glue day. I just finished fixing my external power supply, which was kind of opening mouth. Alright, so how can we do that? Of course, very simple. I can use my capoduster for keeping the things in place. Okay, let's wait for this guy to hit a bit. Just a little bit in there, into the crack. And now let me try to cover all around. But mostly behind here, to have a kind of support from behind, like this. Okay, now let me have this guy push everything in front. I can use a little bit of hot air like that. Okay, hot glue is just magic. Let's wait for curing. So, is it working? What do you think? Of course it is. Nothing to display because I got no cells. But yeah, look there. It's working. Everything is fine. Just a little bit more to fill the gap here. And we can put the things back in the case. In the meantime, I can clean the dust. And here we have thermopaste, because there are heat sensors, these little guys all around. Man, you see, this is a really good stuff. Okay, no doubt that will keep the port in place for many years to go. Okay? What have I done? Yeah, I just pushed the screen a bit, and the crystals react in an instant. The screen is clear. Very sensible. Perfect. Are we okay here with all this? Yeah, this is good. Yeah. You'll say I'm missing some screws. Yes, I know. But it will nothing wrong happen without this white stuff. It's horrible. Okay, let's see. Is it working? Of course it is. There we go. You can see there, and all this mambo jumbo. Perfect. It's fixed. So if you don't have the right plug over there, then just use hot glue. All the way, good way. You know, never throw away anything. But try to fix with what you get around the things. Okay, see you soon with some others. Thank you so much for your comments, and don't forget to push the like button, subscribe to my channel. Thanks Jack, thanks Vlad, thanks Raduji from Belgium, my sponsors, by the way. And until the next one, wish you well, and don't forget to have fun. See you, bye bye.